Don't know if I should do that or not, but I did. So, hi, welcome back. I think tonight, or let's see, daytime. So today we're gonna grind on the pasture side, try to get all that old paint and rust off, try to get the bed all the way up to the toe wall floor, and grind all of our welds down, and then that way, hopefully, next time we'll be able to paint pasture side all the way up underneath the dash is my plan on, and paint this with that rust or the etching primer. We gotta still, I think we're gonna wet down a rag pretty good. Just run it over it and wipe it down. Except for the bare metal down here, I'm gonna use some of the cleaner on it. But the rest of it, I'm just trying to get it where it's on all that dust from where we sanded it last time is on it. And let that set. That way, hopefully Friday, we can come in here, paint this, and paint the pasture side. At least that's my plan. I think that'd be pretty good if we can get all the way up there. Anyways, let's flip the Bronco, and then we'll get to work. All right, tonight we're gonna try to get back in here and get that taken care of best we can. Get this, try to get over at least to this bend here, because I like to go back over this with the grinder wheel just a little bit better. See if I can't make it nicer. I still hadn't fallen through yet, so that's good. Anyways, get all these down. You might take these down a little bit too. At least get this area all the way up in here. Get that all down, or at least I'm not saying I'm gonna get it to bare metal, but at least clean it pretty good. Of course, all these welds, and then we gotta do some artistic work for this one and that one up there. But hopefully by the end it'll, well, we need to put a couple more welds in here. Up there too. But a bunch of grinding, especially this area. See right here, I can see through right there and right here. So we may start with this. Get all this ground down and all the welds that we need put back, and see how that goes before we start sanding in here. Looks like I might have to replace that part right there, but anyways, let's get the grinder and we'll start knocking these down. Don't know if I should do that or not, but I did. So let this dry off. And then next time we'll spray some self etching primer on it. We'll get this, clean this better down here and get that as well. Probably do that first because it's probably gonna be hot out here, so it should dry relatively quick. And then we'll come back over here and continue with this. Got these kind of ground down, this from before. You come in here and get these up the side. This isn't too bad through here. That ground down pretty okay. There was a hole there. We got these all the way up to here, and we knocked this down quite a bit. Could use a little bit more, but this is kind of rough back in here, all these tight corners. But we'll get this off, and maybe next time we can paint from right here all the way up to at least here. Get this all looking like that, especially right through here. There is a hole right here. I'm gonna get a screwdriver and see if it'll go, if I need to cut that out and put a piece of metal there. Let's see how bad it is. Okay. So I think I'll weld this up. I may come back in here, fill in these holes, especially this one right here, right there and right there. Just kind of fill them in, and these through here as well. And we got some right here too. That's a big one. So we'll probably come back in next time and weld up some holes and grind some more. Try to get this all looking nice, and then we'll put a coat of that Rust-Oleum rust preventative on it. And then we're either gonna work that way or work back, get the tubs painted inside here, probably take that out, that back side underneath, and we may lay the tailgate on and work on it too. Get that all sanded down and painted. So hopefully here soon this will all be black in here. This will be etching the etching primer green. Then, you know, green here. Put some of that etching primer, then I'm gonna put that duplicolor black inside here. I may do the black inside here once we get that far. But not much, just a bunch of grinding, and that's about it. Well, I think that's gonna do it for me today. Like I said, didn't do much but just grind. This passenger side, we didn't even hit this down here yet, but next time we'll continue grinding. First we'll probably paint that side, let that dry, since I think I come out here during the daytime, so it'll be hot out here. Let it dry, and then we'll start grinding again, getting all these down, and hopefully by the end we'll be ready to put some paint up here on the floor, and hopefully take it in on this floor pan here. That's my plan. We didn't get as far as I thought. I thought I'd go all the way up, but it's a little bit more time consuming than I planned. But we'll get that done. I may even grind these down and put some of that etching primer on it, and then some of that I'll show you what I got. Duplicolor automotive primer. It's a filler primer, but it's matte black, so I think it'll be nice underneath the fenders and such. But anyways, maybe spray some of that on here. But other than that, we'll just keep on going. if you made this far, thank you for watching. It does really help the channel out a lot. If you're new to the channel, post every Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Be on the Bronco. If you like this, please like, comment, subscribe. It does help the channel out a lot. But like I said, next time we'll grind some more. Hopefully paint this floor pan and paint that side for sure. Passenger side or driver's side bed. And that little piece that we fixed pinholes on the other day. Anyways, we'll get that taken care of. Hopefully paint here. And then I'll be happy for the weekend. But anyways, thank you again for watching. And I'll see you next time.